AI is driving energy demand to new heights, and data centers are feeling the pressure. Yet most facilities still operate well below their true power capacity. Inside every site is an enormous amount of capacity. Unused computer and energy potential that can be captured, optimized, and turned into real value, just waiting to be intelligently utilized. PADO is built to unlock it. The AI-based platform begins by giving you real-time visibility into two critical areas of your facility. The white space is your IT load, every rack, server, cluster, and running job on a specific node. The gray space is your physical infrastructure, cooling systems, airflow, batteries, and other distributed energy resources. PADO is designed to deliver the maximum amount of compute for every megawatt by continuously analyzing both spaces. It increases utilization by optimizing HVAC and adding additional compute. As workloads shift throughout the day, it identifies where you can pause or delay non-essential compute, rebalance workloads across racks, or automatically move jobs to another data center or the cloud. At the same time, PADO evaluates the gray space. It detects overcooled areas, highlights opportunities to balance free ambient and cooled air, and safely adjusts temperature set points. You get more performance from the equipment you already have, without compromising uptime. And when batteries or other distributed energy resources are on site, PADO schedules charging and discharging at the right moments, opening the door to cost savings and new managed service revenue. Individually, each action makes an impact. Together, they reshape how your facility uses power. PADO turns existing capacity into a dynamic, flexible, revenue-generating resource, significantly increasing compute power. Ready for the demands of the AI era. PADO. Maximize compute per megawatt.